All right, hello everybody. Today we're going to be checking out this 24-hour touch-free wash here at the Salisbury car wash in Salisbury, Massachusetts. So, why don't we just go ahead and drive on over there and see what this place is all about. Forgot my phone stand today, so that'll have to do. It's probably going to end up falling, but whatever. Yep, there we go. Okay, I think we have to go around this way. Yeah, this looks about right. Oh, there's more vacuums down here, wow. Alright, so we got the platinum for 21, we got the gold for 18, and we have the silver for 15. Prices are a little steep here. And we got another razor. And there's also a basic wash for $10.
Or touch the enter code button to enter your code.
Of course, we're going to get the synthetic shield.
Following options. Please insert payment now.
Alright. Just going to get out some cash here. They take cash here? They do. I don't know if I have any ones, though. Nah, I think I'm just going to use a card. If I can figure out how to insert it the right way. There we go.
Please wait while your transaction... Thank you.
Alright, looks like the wash is ready.
Slowly into the wash.
Oh, big bump. Looks like we're getting an undercarriage blast. And we hit the sweet spot. Wow, that is a loud drive motor. Good coating of pre-soak. Looks like we are starting the high pressure rinse. Little on the weak side. All right, time for the tri-foam. Excellent coverage. Using the overhang now, it looks like. It just says cleaning, but this is obviously hot wax. Again, excellent coverage. Another high pressure rinse from the arm. And it looks like we do have onboard dryers in this bay. This might actually be high pressure soap. It's got a bit of a scent to it. Looks like we were doing the sealing now. Camera's not focused, sorry. I'm pretty sure that was just Rain-X. And we're onto the spot free. Look like it's going to be using the overhang, or maybe not. I don't know, man. That's awfully high power for a spot free. Yeah, I'm not convinced that was spot free. All right, let's see how these dryers do. That is it. Another big bump. All right, we're gonna find a place to pull over here so we can critique this place per usual. It's busy here. It's a good day to do this. It's finally not hot anymore. All right, this should be good right here. Well, maybe the rinse was spot free. The water seems to be beating, so that's a good sign. That could also be Rain-X though. But overall, I think it did a good job. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed.